I'm trying to beat the traffic.
Are you serious? Right in the middle of this shit?
Huh?
Come on, girl.